Flight 19 appears to have flipped over following landing. The Toronto Pearson Airport released a statement on X saying, quote, "Emergency teams are responding. All passengers and crew are accounted for." The flight originated from Minneapolis-St. Paul.
Our plane crashed. It's upside down. Fire department's on site. Upside down. Everybody, most people appear to be okay. We're all getting off. Some smoke going on.
See that there, those thick plumes of black smoke there. What that shows you is that at one point this plane was definitely on fire. There was fire happening, and that is the worst case scenario when it comes to an incident like this. So the fact that emergency crews were